Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up WhatsApp on your laptop or your PC. So I've been getting questions on how to do this or how I've done it. I think it's very easy, but I'll just show you the step-by-step. So let's say you're using a regular web browser at a friend's house or a laptop and you just want to use WhatsApp quickly without like downloading the whole app. I'll show you how to do it on a web page. So the first step is going to be to open up a web page, type in web.whatsapp.com, and I'll put this link in the description box. Hit enter, and then you are here. So it tells you the steps of what to do, but I'll show you on my phone how I do it. I'm just going to switch over to using my phone now and show you the screen. So next step is going to be to open up WhatsApp on my phone. Then you're going to hit the menu section, so the settings little tab at the bottom. And then you're going to hit WhatsApp web desktop, so this third area right here. Then you're going to just pan up to the QR code that we saw on the screen earlier. Okay, now I'm going to switch back to the desktop, and there we go. So it is officially connected. I'm going to send a message right now, like a test message from my phone, and you're going to see it on the screen. Boom. So I just sent that on my phone right now. See? So there you go. WhatsApp setup on a web page browser. It has the same functionalities as your phone. So you can create new groups, you can change your profile, you can look at archive messages, you can look at your starred messages, settings, and then you can log out. This is important. This is very good for me as a business owner because it allows me to, let's say, transfer files really quickly from my desktop to my phone or vice versa. So I don't have to like save it, download it, export it, email it, like all that stuff. I just literally WhatsApp stuff to myself and it just appears on my computer. Let me just like, let's say I have to send a thumbnail that I made on my phone to myself. Boom, I'm sending it. Now it's here on my computer. Like that was so easy. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment down below if you have a question, and let me know if this video helped you out. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.